Okay, so let's see the classification of acids. So we can classify the acids on several bases. So the first we classify the acid on the basis of origin. As I told you the word origin. Origin means from where the acids are originate. Means we are talking about the nature. So in nature what we are having beta? In nature we are having plants, right? And we are having rocks, right? So the acids we are obtained from the plants. They are said to be the organic acid. The organic acids are the acids which we obtain from the plant. The common example of that acids are citrus acid, oxalic acid, acetic acid. These all are the example of the organic acid, and this organic acid, they are not harmful for us. They are not harmful for our body. You are getting my point? So the acids which we obtain from the plant sources, they are said to be organic acid, and these are not harmful for our body. We can take this acid, right? Then on the basis of origin, the second acids we classify, they are the mineral acids. Mineral acids which we obtain from the mineral, from the earth crust. We are obtaining some acids, they are said to be mineral acids. The commercial acids are also our mineral acids, right? These are the mineral acids, they are also said to be the inorganic acid because they are not originated from the plants or animals. That is why inorganic they are telling. The organic source, whenever we are talking about the organic, we relate it with the plants and animals, right? So these mineral acids are also said to be inorganic acids. So the common example of inorganic acids are the hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid. These all are the inorganic acids, and the mineral acids, they are very dangerous for us. They are harmful for the body. So got the first classification. We classify the acids on the basis of their origin in two classes, organic acids and inorganic acid. Now this is only not the classification. The second classification on the basis of the strength. Now what is the meaning of the word strength over here? What definition of acids we gave in the starting? The acids are the substance which furnishes or which produces hydrogen ion in the given solution or in the water. They are the acids, right? So that is, so how much hydrogen ion they can produce, right? It is related somewhat with the strength of the acid. So whenever I am talking about the strength, again the acids are divided into two types: strong acids and weak acids. So strong, what is the meaning of the word strong over here? The meaning of the word strong over here, the acids which completely dissociated into ions. For example, if I take example of HCl, so that HCl during a chemical reaction, during a dissociation when it is breakdown, right? So it completely dissociate into its H plus and Cl minus ion. No amount of HCl is remain. So it is said to be the complete dissociation, which it means it furnishes, it produces completely. It is these type of acids are said to be strong acids. What are the example of strong acids? They are the, again, HNO3, H2SO4, HCl, means hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid. These all are the example of the strong acid. So now what are weak acids on the basis of strength? So very simple, just vice versa of that. Strong acids, what we define strong acid, which furnishes or which produces the hydrogen ions, which dissociates completely. And these weak acids which cannot dissociate completely. The acids which cannot dissociate completely into its ion. They not furnishes totally, they not dissociate completely. They are said to be the weak acids. And what are the examples of weak acid? Acetic acid, carbonic acid. These all are the examples of the weak acid. So you got the classification on the basis of strength. Now one more classification is there, that is on the basis of number of hydrogen ion. In acid, it contains the hydrogen ion. It need not necessarily, for example, HCl is also an acid. H2SO4 is also an acid. But HCl, it is having one hydrogen ion. While H2SO4, it is having two hydrogen ion. So on this basis, again, we classify the acids. So we will see now on the basis of the hydrogen ion, how we classify the acids.